Hello guys, how to fix if your taskbar disappeared from your Windows 11 10. If your taskbar is hidden or hide or missing, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is go to your Windows settings, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to personalization section, click on it, thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option taskbar. Click on it and here scroll down and you will find scroll down and expand taskbar behaviors and automatically hide the taskbar. Make sure that this option is unchecked. If you found this automatically hide the taskbar is checked, then uncheck this option. Sometimes accidentally this option is selected and your taskbar is hidden. The second one is go to settings again and here go to system settings from the left side. Thereafter go to right side and go to display section and change resolution from recommended to any lower resolution. And if you have chosen any other resolution other than recommended, then choose recommended feature. Otherwise choose a lower than recommended resolution settings and check whether your taskbar disappeared error resolved or not. If not, go to the one more fixes, right click on a start button and choose task manager. Click on task manager and here restart Windows Explorer. Simply select Windows Explorer and click on restart task from the top right corner of task manager windows. After that, check whether your disappeared taskbar appeared or not. The one more fixes, close the task manager windows and right click on a start button and choose device, update your driver. Here expand display adapter section and right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers and the best driver for your device is already installed, otherwise install it.